Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Cloudbook channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the task 2 hands-on DevOps challenges. And I already made a video how to do the DevOps job and what kind of salaries and equity you can ask in the DevOps roles and everything about the reality of the DevOps in the yesterday's video. Please watch it if you didn't watch. And for the task, I gave already this one, create an Ansible playbook for the backup of the PostgreSQL database. We used the task one for the shell script, but we are using the Ansible playbook right now. So, and we are storing it to the S3 bucket. Here, only remember that we are taking only the backup in this one because like adding up the slave mission like the Ansible slave architecture we are going to do because we need to do the with the take the backup from the slave mission. That's our first of all. So not on the single mission. Ansible means like agentless. We can control any missions, right? So that's what I wanted to teach here. So you can familiar with the Ansible PostgreSQL commands like master slave of the uh, Ansible also you can learn with the simple commands I will do. I will explain create a dummy data that is same for everything. And I have the solution here. See the task 2 solution take to Ubuntu 2 servers, IAM user and S3 bucket. These are like old ways like yesterday. Last time we take the one server just because we are not using any kind of Ansible right thingy in the last video. But here we are doing with the Ansible means one is the Ansible master and other one is the slave. And if you go here, like see, this is the Ansible master and slave. We need to create an S3 bucket. So this is the S3. You can just search for here S3 and open it in the new tab. So create a bucket. So give it a name. So it should be small letters Ansible 040924 and ACLC is enabled and just come down and create bucket. That's it. That's all you have to do. And the bucket is created. Go inside. We don't have any objects till now. Okay. And we need the IAM user, right? Let's go here. I already opened. So you can search the IAM in the search bar and open it in the new tab. So create user Ansible dash 0209. Oh, sorry, 04. Next, attach policy is administrator policy. Next, create user. So the user is created. Go inside the user Ansible test 0409. Go to security credentials. Create access key. CLI. I understand. Next, create access keys. The keys are created. We have the server and everything is ready. Let's connect to the servers. Ansible master. Sorry here. So like you use this at the IP, you say yes, okay, clear the screen, increase the size of this, do the update on the server, I mean like master, and create another tab for your slave. Okay, come here, select this, copy the IP of the slave, dot AWS dot sh, enter, yes. Okay, update it on the slave, enter. So you can just select the color for the slave. Okay, so this yellow color is the slave and the white color is here is the master. Okay, clear the screen. So you can see Ansible is installed or not by giving the command because we not installed anything. Clear the screen. Okay, come here. So if you go here, these are the commands to install the Ansible. Copy this and paste it here. So this will add the required packages for your Ansible. This will take some time and wait for that one and come here. See, it's ask for the prompt. You have to give the enter next to the update and install the Ansible playbook. Come here. Okay. So let's control U, control C. So I cleared it. Let's see, run again. It's not working. Okay, clear the screen. Do update. Enter. Okay, you got now. Enter. So it's taking some time to install everything. Let's update. Once that is done, we have to update, clear the screen, update it by using the command called sudo apt update. After adding the Ansible package, and next give the command called sudo apt install Ansible is the command -y enter. This will install the Ansible. The command is here. Install apt Ansible. Create the keys and everything. We will do that. Okay. See the Ansible is installed. We need to create the keys here. Let's go on the server. It's taking time. Okay. So clear the screen. Check the version of Ansible. Ansible version. Yep, that is done. Which Python is installed or not. Okay, that is done. So clear the screen and we need to create the key pair. Keygen -d-b4096. Enter. Okay, enter. Okay, let's move into .ssh file. See directory. Here we have the two files created. One is id underscore RSA and a public key. Clear the screen and cat. Like see the file content of the public one. Enter. So copy this and go to your slave node and cd.ssh. If you see here, no files there. Okay, so we need to go inside authorized keys in order to access your slave from the master node. Shift A, come enter and paste the key from master that you created right now. The public key and exit from here. So that is done. We have created the keys. Everything is done. Let's come out of these files. First of all, the folders. We don't need those anymore. That is done. So let's add this file, host file on the master. Okay, I'm on the master. Let's check again. Okay, on the master only. Give this commands. If you want, you can directly delete everything, or you can just give enter, go up arrow, and copy the content from here. Okay. See here, I'm using the server's name here. Okay. If I change the name to Mr. Cloudbook, okay, and the IP is here, so add the slave IP. Okay, come here. So this is slave. Copy the public IP. Paste here. Control X, Control Y, enter. That is done. And you can come to the here. You see, we need to give this command to see whether it's working fine or not. Enter. See, PG test, and the node is coming like the slave, or you can just update again. See, I don't want PG test. Okay, like I can edit it. See, like Ansible hyphen slave hyphen PG test like that. And sorry, Control X, Control Y, enter, and again up arrow. See, the name is changed for your server. See, this is PG test, but we changed it to this, right? That is working fine. Let's give the command called Ansible all ping command to check whether we can connect to the slave or not. Okay, see, that is good. It's okay now. Clear the screen. We have this, and you can do these all commands if you wanted to test. Okay, and then next install this on the slave machine PostgreSQL, because we need to take the backup from here. Okay. So this will install the PostgreSQL on the slave node, not on the master. And we will directly go into the PostgreSQL once that is done. So it's installing 14th version. You can see that 14th main. Okay, click this. You can see Postgres -FN version. No, PSQL version. I forgot it. Yeah, 14. That is done. And what we have to do, okay, the command here to go inside the PostgreSQL will update the password. Like we need the password for the user, so that is done. create the database. Yeah, database done. So connect to database, that is also done. And next create the table. I'm going first because I already explained in the old video. If you are new to this, please watch that video and adding the content to the table, the screen, and you can see that star from users. Okay, this is the data we need to take the back. Okay, so slash q exit from this and leave the screen, and we need to add the password, right? Let's go into the, oh sorry, this is on the master, right? Yeah, we are on the master. Let's sorry, it's we are on the slave. Check it again. Okay, this is on slave cd slash etc postgres. Okay, if you see ls here, okay, 14. Okay, 14 main, enter. Okay, use update this file pg underscore hba dot config and the semicolon scnu. See the numbers, go to the line called 118. We need to update the connection to peer to MD5. If you don't know why, okay, sorry, it's not 118, it's 90. It's different. If you are using 16th version of what it's called the PostgreSQL, it will be 118. If you are using 14, that is 90. So save from here and give the command called restart PostgreSQL. So this will don't take like 15 seconds to reload, restart, and do the reload also. Okay, so let's come back home. One, two. So if you want to see the, it's asking password or not. Yep, it's asking password now. Okay, that is done. Slash q. Okay, clear the screen. Come back to the master now. So we have all this done. Okay, we have the IAM user created. S3 bucket is also created. And why using the vars.yaml file means Ansible use works with vars.yaml file. Create it for the secrets. Vars.yaml on the master node, okay, not on the slave. Create it on the master. Remove it first of all. The bucket need to go here. So the bucket name, what we have, this is it. Come paste it. I'm using this path. Okay, let's clear this because we need to give the AWS access key. So access keys for the IAM user. Remove this as well. And give the secret access key, paste here, and you can give any region you want, but I works with AP, so -1. So this is the secret file we need to create because the user is Postgres. The database is also my database we created. Password is password, the bucket name, and the path you can give anything, and use your IAM keys here, AWS access key and secret access key, and the region. So exit from here, but I don't want to use the var.yaml file. Whenever I give the password like C, then only it will take the backup. So it won't give the output if you don't ask for the password. Okay. So I want to store this particular file or encrypted this particular var.yaml file with the vault. So Ansible vault everyone knows. I think because if you are working with Ansible, it's like Ansible Vault, you know it. So it's like the secret store manager which encrypts your files like with the more encrypted way. So that's why I want to add the encryption. So that's why I'm using Ansible Vault encrypt. This is the command to encrypt the data. So it's ask for the password, give the password, any letters up to you. I'm just using 4 numbers. Encryption was successful, you can see it. And if you go, so what we left is playbook. We'll create it vipg underscore backup dot yaml file, enter. So let's copy this file. Okay, 1 minute. I will explain this file. Okay, it's done. Let's paste it here. Okay, if you see, mm, am I moving faster? Yeah, little bit faster. Because yeah, see, this is how it looks. We are giving two spaces. Okay, doesn't need it. Okay, here what the host name we gave, it's came inside, right? Okay, it should be inside remote user. Yeah, first.yaml. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, I don't want a lane, make it time wastable for everyone. Like, let's remove this rm-rf backup.yaml, copy this, open ChatGPT. So make it a line. So like I don't want to waste time to make it like editing all the time. So meanwhile you can see cat slash etc Ansible host, enter. See what is the name we are using, Mr. Cloudbook here. Okay, so clear the screen and it's giving the file. Let's wait for the this to completed. I'm not like see, I'm just using this one only, not creating or asking anything. I'm asking to align it in the proper syntax format. Okay, done. Copy this code. Copied. Okay, we type pg underscore backup dot yaml file. Okay, done. Let's go up. So we will talk about it slowly. Why I'm using the align means I don't want to edit the file, so it's take more time. So it's waste of time again. So host, what we give the name Mr. Cloudbook. So use that name or whatever your name we given. So remote user because our master uses the name as the Ubuntu, and become means yes, I'm making it to your root user. And next vars file we are using the vars.yaml file for the secrets. The next task like what needs to be done on this slave node. So these are called the tasks. So first it will update the packages with the latest. I mean like star means everything. And next it will install the required packages like Python 3 pip, Photo 3, Photo 4. That those are required for the AWS and S3 because it needs to communicate with the SDK. That's why we need those files and install AWS CLI. This is the curl command we are using. Y means that we are going to download the file in the zip format of the AWS CLI. See, next we are doing the unzip as well here. Okay, and next we need to move those files into user local bin. It will create automatically, and the next we are doing the AWS configure means we are saved those like AWS keys and secret keys. It will automatically configure here with the configure. Okay, nextly, see we can create the backup directory so for the storage of your file. Okay, backup files. Why no log on the configure means it won't show your data. I mean like secrets or everything to into the output. Okay, and the backup file is done like perform the PostgreSQL backup. So this is like it will take the backup. So the command is same Postgres password. pgdump means it will take the backup and it will store it into the above backup directory. And next it will compress that everyone knows gzip and next upload. So it will update to our S3 bucket. So that is done. Let's run the playbook. Hyphen playbook. What is the one? If I give this one, so that if you think the playbook will work, no, it won't work. See, because we encrypted the data in the vault, right? So we need to give this command ask hyphen vault hyphen pass. So then only it will use the vars.yaml file. Enter. It will ask the password. You have to give the password whatever you kept. Okay, and next enter. So it will start then only. Okay, the playbook will starts whenever you gave the playbook. I mean like the password that you given for the vault. Okay, this is the use of the encryption. So like the concept we need to understand more. If you don't know, please watch videos on the YouTube. I don't do those videos particularly for present. I don't have those videos. Okay. So it's a update like first it's taking the facts like the everything. So whether it's connecting or not, first it will check. So it will check the facts and update the packages, everything that is required for the output maybe like see like whatever the packages we asked to update all the packages, right? That's why it's taking some time. We have to wait for it to be completed. Oh, means we need to wait because the internet speed it depends on the also. So that is done, and you can see that installing the required packages like we added Boto 3, Python pip 3 like this. Let's see whether it's installed or not. Changed means it's installed. Okay. Okay, AWS CLI is not installed. Mhm. Mm, why it's not installed? What is the issue we have? Okay, it's not found the unzip, I think. Let's install unzip on this. First of all, sudo apt install unzip maybe. Or let's see what we need to do here. Mhm. Let's go here. What we can do on the AWS CLI here. Let's go. Okay. Insert mode, add name, install unzip. So what is the command we use? apt. Okay. Mm, okay, let's go here. apt install Ansible module maybe. Yep. Okay, if you go down, keep go down, so you can see some kind of values. You can give the name and the state like that. You can use these two. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, see, because we need the package in this format. This is the full form of the apt, but we can use this one also. See, apt, we can use this also. So that is the issue we used here. So thought need to be in the aligned. So let's make it correct. Okay. So we will do everything from the scratch slowly. So we do escape it. Okay. We installing the sorry. We forgot one thing, that is we are installing the Nginx, not the unzip. Okay. Install unzip. It's here latest. Okay. This is the use if you work hard. So ask part sit paste the command. I mean like the password. It will again see updated the packages rest. It shows okay. Install unzip. I think that is the issue of the AWS CLI. I'm because I can see it here clearly. Yeah, you can see now it's working as it is. Okay. Warning. That doesn't matter for me because the upload to S3 bucket is done. If you see here, how did I know this is not worked? Means you can see that unzip is not found. First of all, the command is here. So that's why what I did, I went back to my backup file and updated the unzip. Okay, let's come here and let's go here. Let's refresh this whether it's see it's just created the file path and what is the time 8:49 and it's 6:50 like 18:49 means is in the time of 24 hours. Let's see. Okay, control U will take the backup again whether it's taking or not. Wait, I need to check again. So it will not take much time. Okay, see, because we already did this. Last time you can see that it's already changed, but it's taking the backup again. Okay, refresh. See, it's updating the old file. Okay, like not even what it say. See, if 1850 right now, mine like it's like overwriting the file, especially. But I don't want like that. If you don't see, it's 1850, right? It's updated 1850 40. Okay. If I do one thing, let's see, it's 1851. I mean, like 651. I will do again. I mean, like taking the backup again. Okay. So why it's not storing the files in the versioning means it's taking the file name with the date and say it's updated 1851 now. See, that means we need to enable the versioning here. Okay, go to the properties or maybe go to buckets. Yeah, here is sorry, I forgot bucket versioning. Let's do edit once. So we disabled it. What we will enable it again. So I will tell what is say that it's saying edited versioning. We have turned it on now. See, bucket versioning is enabled. That is good. Let's clear the screen and if we try to do the backup again, it's like update it again. Let's see whether it's uses the two files or not. I mean, like whether it keeps two files or not. Okay. See, let's go. And if you go to the objects and go to test, okay, it's still if you refresh. So okay, it's like overwriting the existing file, but I don't want like that. Okay. See, it's like taking the file that doesn't require. I need the more backups. Let's do here. Go to what we are doing here. Taking the backup. Yeah, time and date. Ansible. So we can ask. Actually, it's not saving with the time and overwriting existing backup. I need all backups without like say we can say without removing the old one. Why added the versioning means versioning like if you added the same file with the same name like name, it won't remove that particular file. Okay. So to avoid the overwriting of the files, I mean like see with unique name in the time you can include the time in the file name. Okay, so it's like last time I didn't give in the file name, that is what causing the issue. I asked it, I mean like just why I'm using this means I don't want to waste the time again to just like change the file name here. Okay, like performance I think it should be here like Ansible date time to time. So what it will do, it will take the backup with the time also. We don't have the time lost time. I will show it also. If I see cat busy backup.yaml, you can see that there is no time and date, Ansible date and time dot date we are using. But if I use this one, so we I pz2.yaml simply. So let's exit from this one. I don't like cat pz2. See, I'm using GPT means don't use that. Okay, if you also face the issues. See here, it's using time dot date and time dot time. Okay, let's reduce some time like this. See, you can see that it's added the new field. We will see run that one. Okay, Ansible hyphen playbook or PG2 ask hyphen vault. I don't know whether it's work or not, but let's try something new. So because I don't want to remove the Word file, okay. Okay, no host is matched because here I'm using the server's host. But why we need to change again? This is how need to become like the DevOps engineer, you need to know which one is getting the issue. Like I have to update here, missed it. Okay. So if I try now, it will work again as it is normally. See, it will update the packages and everything. Configuring the AWS. Okay. Upload to S3. Let's see how it goes. Refresh. See, it's storing with the time now. So if I take backup again, I think it won't do the override the existing one. Okay, so this is the use of email. Like don't always use the chat GPT also. Like it's not good. So first use your own brain to give the plan and then execute. Give for small mistakes. Okay. Okay, this is how you have to take the backup. So we will use the restore, and I already gave the thought task also here. If you see, I gave the thought task here. Backup to S3 using the Python script. Some are asking. If you are completed with the backup here, like you can just copy this one and you can say, you can say it like this: restore a PostgreSQL database from S3 to a new database. Okay, you can use like this also. What why I'm saying means like it's like helpful for you. Okay, so let's delete these keys first of all. Because I showed it to you already, there is no need for this one again for me. Delete. So the name is this one. Copy, paste it, delete it. Okay. So it's like it's deleted user. Okay. We don't have to worry about it again. Close this, and I'll keep the bucket for the retrieve. Okay. Restoring the backups. These two also I'll keep for now. I just removed the IAM user. That's it because I showed it. Let's stop these instances. I hope you understand the backup thingy. I'll update this in the blog also. Okay, with the new things updated. Okay, not like this one. No need to worry about it. Thanks for watching the video and keep on supporting to Mr. Cloudbook channel.